Morning, my name is Omar God Mizan, and today I will teach you how to beatbox. And I just want to say long time no see. The first one is alright. That's how you say B, but it's you make it go what do they say, go, I don't know, go yang what, go like go best, BASS, no BEST, best. You say P but in best mode. P P P P P P P P P P P. Right? If you already got that, let's move on to this one. Is that is the same, but you just need to add beef 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 beef. Alright, now the 3-1. The third one is you just need to say the word C like this. Alright, now how many? 4, right? The fourth one, I can make it even louder. The fifth or sixth one is right here. You just need to say the letter TCH. Remember that. TCH. Right now, listen. I'll try to mix it all. Alright, actually I cannot mix it. I just want to lie to you. So the last one, make your hand like this, and then you make it like this. Put your mouth here, and you just pull it, not blow it. Alright. Now, actually, it's not the last one. I forgot. Now, this is the bubble one. I'm not mastered yet, but I'll try to do it. It's like this, or like this. The one you start. Alright, but this one. Alright, that's sorry it's stuck here because I just woke up here, and so bye then.